They look like they've been cooked already. They ain't even went on the smoker yet. Just been marinating for a couple days. Looks like they already cooked, don't they? I'm gonna take these bad boys, stick them right on the smoker. Just see that smoke. See the 5 roasted diced tomatoes, the scallions, the browning seasoning, the garlic, everything that we put on there, the lime juice. It's just gonna be so flavorful. See, it's got to be packaged like foil, you know, like a little pizza, like something special. Sometimes you got to go in with your hands and things. Yeah. Lord have mercy. It's coming off the bone. And it can't be stopped playing games. Look at that. Oh, I almost lost one. It smells so good too. I can't even tell you. I can't tell you. Let's see if we can pull a piece off with these tongs. That's how we'll know if they're ready. Oh my God, they just breaking. Look at that. It just came straight off. Let me see. Whoa, Lord, I'm like. Ah, so much flavor. I got to have it.
See you. TV, yeah, we keep it fly. So hit that like, hit subscribe.